Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself and look at me, look at me. You made me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? So as you can see, man, y'all, I'm sharing, I got my man purse right here, AKA the mini diaper bag. So today we're about to be heading to D's garage. We got our boy Black Aaron, he's dropping off his car. We're about to do an update on the Schwang thing because there's been some changes and stuff that's been done. I mean, we're gonna be giving you an update on the turbo coupe because there's some changes done. I'm gonna show you all that stuff, and then tomorrow we have a dyno appointment. So we ain't seen our boy Black Aaron in a minute. He hasn't been on the channel, so I figured I'd go over there while he's dropping off his car and get y'all the update. So let me go in here, grab my little mama's. It's her nap time, so more than likely she's gonna be falling asleep in the car, so I'm not gonna be there very long. I just wanna get y'all the update, see Black Aaron, and then get my ass back home. So let's get into today. And yeah, don't say this is a purse, man. It's a, you know what I'm saying? This is a diaper bag, feel me? This is the daddy duty bag. It ain't a purse. All right, so we're just pulling up here to D's. I got little mamas in the car. So update for y'all. You know what I'm saying? My guy Dart over here, you know what I'm saying? Young Darty McDartums. Dart Block. Dart 454, whatever you want to call him. So we got the new downpipe on. He also we did the charge pipe in a little bit. You can see we actually, well, without the blanket on here, it actually has some clearance in between. So we do got some clearance finally. It's not touching or rubbing no more. They also redid the lower crossover tube. You can see right there, that thing had a crazy bend kink in it. It looked like it was possibly blown out. But new flex section, we actually used the accordion style instead of the fucking multi-mesh one. But yeah, man, this is pretty much it. Ready for the dyno. We got my man D in here doing some wiring and fixing some free and
doing this 12-inch. I don't got all that other wiring. You don't have to come back for that shit. Man, that was terrible. Twisty dudes and everything else.
Yeah, he got under there and found a bunch of shit, but we no longer surprised no more by what we find on previous builds. So yeah, we're gonna get the 12-inch in. That's what she said.
I already parted on, but I'm trying to wire so that way you have blinkers and fuel gauge hooked up.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get rid of this. I don't know if y'all remember, but this thing left me stranded. Told me I had 20% fuel left and shut off on me, so everything's gonna be on the 12-inch Pro Dash. I might even get rid of the freaking gauges up there, but those are more there just for aesthetics.
Well, that one there though, that thing's stuck at 100 psi though. That oil pressure can't be that freaking high.
Yeah, nah, the sensors aren't even hooked up to it. They just turn on now. They used to work.
They're all show, no go.
All show, no go, man. Period, correct. What's up, blood?
What's up, cuz?
He look at your car already?
Nah, not yet.
Oh, you gonna find fucking on that too.
Alright, we already talked about that.
So yeah, look, we got my boy over here, you know what I'm saying? My boy done came, yo, you feel me? He done jump ship too, high five. We team D over here now.
I already told him, man, we can't play with this buddy, man. We gotta just spin this shit, man.
You know what I'm saying? We can't be out here.
We gotta just spin this shit.
Can't be out here paying extra and double paying and triple paying when the time come to get your shit done right.
Yeah.
Jinx, show me a soda. You can't be saying right at the same time as me, boy.
Like I told him, man,
Bro, when somebody say Jinx, that means you can't talk no more. Give me that neck.
Nah, bro.
You know how the game go, bro. Give me that neck.
Yeah. I just tired of it breaking, man.
Yep, we're gonna get the suspension right. Then we're gonna have Geith get him on the dyno. Your little NA setup probably gonna make an extra 30 horsepower. Shit.
It's definitely gonna idle better because I heard it from in here, surging like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I told you.
You know, he probably copied and pasted my tune on your shit and took some fuel out.
He took the timing out.
You can't take time. You can't just be like, it don't sound right. Let me take some timing out of it. It don't work that way.
We was driving it, and every time he was trying to add time, he was like, oh, nah.
It don't work that way.
Nah, I don't know.
The dynos will tell you like, all right, that extra couple degrees added power. Okay, we lost power. Okay, it's knocking here. Let's take this time and go. That's how you fine tune it to get the most timing out of it. You can't just be like, I don't know, that didn't feel right. You could hit a bump and it was like, that was a misfire right there. Let me take some timing out. But yeah, this looks good. We barely got the alternator clearance, but.
That's definitely a little nervous wreck while you're looking at it run.
Bro, did you run over the quarter panel?
Yeah.
I did run it over.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Are you sick?
Look, I'm over the box.
Oh, that nigga's sick.
Oh,
You like shit. Oh, you finna have to do 2-day air again.
I don't care if I gotta buy another one. I got a body guy that can fix that.
How you didn't see the box?
Bruh, I didn't see the box. It was on the ground.
My nigga caught the edge of that thing.
I ran it over. If you gotta buy another one, let me know.
Damn.
Came from China anyway. What was that? 200 bucks? It's about 200 bucks. I know you can fix this, bruh.
We only need the lift.
Oh, so you can fix it.
So y'all guys got lucky.
So you told him to move it, huh?
Fucking car. He should be able to see that shit. Your silly ass should be walking. Your ass should be able to see that shit.
Hey, I don't know. Sound like a shipping error to me. We opened it and it came like that in the box. We gotta send that back.
Oh, we could, but then we gotta wait 2 more days again. I don't even know, but it looked cool. Look, we finna do that.
Some fancy
And
machinery.
then look, put a piece of sandpaper on that motherfucker and then come back to it and,
Is that what that's for?
bruh, we're gonna try to make it work.
Oh, this is for body lines.
Bro, we're gonna finna try to make it work.
Watch out. I'm
Boy, he pulled out the Chuck Norris knife on you.
gonna run past me again this time.
Yeah, really?
He got the real white boy knife. You don't even. Woo! It ain't even a switchback. You better watch out. My nigga Aaron will make a shank out of some wet toilet paper, boy. Wet toilet paper. You line it with some toothpaste, throw it on the light, let it get hard.
Y'all distracted me. I put the wrong connector on and stuff.
Oh man, he about to put the twisty boys in there. Everybody leave D alone. Already dodged one fire. I didn't run it over. It was shipped like that.
Yeah, we only need this part of it.
That shit clean, look.
Bruh, you gonna mess it up.
No, it came like that, remember?
That's the same weight as a car. That's the same.
He flattened it back out. Bulldozer.
I was that footprint, it didn't come like that.
So like,
What
this,
footprint?
let me see.
Petty petty.
Alright, let's go. Fuck, I ain't playing with She-Rock.
I don't got no titties. Come on, let's try you.
Get it.
Damn!
He extra. He cheated.
Triple D!
He unlocked some. Nah, he unlocked some. So what's up? You ready to run it?
Where we going?
Green 50 versus green 50. Loser got to paint their car.
Oh, you gotta take the turbo off.
What
I
happened?
don't know. I'd probably dog you all motor too.
You want race?
What race where?
I'm gonna race you.
Race? Alright. Race.
Aaron, he only got one good cut out of me, bruh. I'm gonna take one for the. I'm gonna take one for the team, but I'm gonna need you to handle that.
Stick and twist. You know what I'm saying? Stick and twist.
So she said too.
You about to tune it tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow dyno session. So last time we got the swings thing tuned, my guy said about 650 wheels when these blocks start messing up. So we're gonna go for about 649.
We're gonna fuck around and find out.
649.9.
649.9.
That's it.
I don't think there's any. As long as it doesn't blow up, I'm pretty much at where I want to be at. Then if it does blow up, we do a dart block or R block. After that, it's done. That's the only thing I want is a four bolt main without doing a 351 setup. Kind of want like a small displacement, high revving, small like 302, 306, no bigger than 331 is like my end goal. So 800 horsepower, small displacement, exact same combo I have, just more boost and RPM. We'll see how tomorrow goes. If tomorrow's a successful day, then we'll leave it like this and keep it alive.
It blurs the camera out.
Break time already?
Eat this, nigga. Eat it. Alright, man. Little mama's woke up, so now I'm over here walking around the shop. The stroller, baby snacks. Looking like a whole baby's father. That's the correct terminology. I'm a baby's father. Here we go, look. Daddy duties in cars. Oh boy, the big dash. That looked like a TV in 1995 right there. That was in somebody's kitchen. As soon as we figure out how to get this thing to play YouTube and Netflix. So having a little issue with the screen fitting. So I hit up dudes I ordered it from, see if he made any revisions on a newer one, but look at that. Woo, that thing big. That thing big. Woo! Oh yeah, that's nice in there.
You can upload like custom stuff too, like you can make something on the internet.
Alright, this thing getting ready to come out.
Bro, how did you get untied?
Foil around it.
Hey, you untied her?
So I think I had told y'all that this right here was one of my LS3 giveaway winners. Came, had deep freshened this thing up, and now it's in the car. Good to actually see one of the motors I gave away in a car running successfully. Usually everybody give up and sell it or make a profit, but he actually kept it and used it, and here it is.
Good, sound good.
It's chopping.
It's cute.
He'll gap you.
It's just an LS.
Hey, Fast, tell us, man, he like, what is he? He like 1 in 4 for getting gapped at the shop, huh? Only car you beat was the Kia. That's the only car you beat.
The only person that beat me is D.
Bro, I just seen Fats dragging you up and down the street.
And guess what? After every race after that, lane jumping. Lane jumping. Lane jumping.
You didn't know what to do.
Battery died. Push it.
Use the muscles. Aaron's 50 sound pretty good though. We knew you was gonna stall it.
What the fuck you got in there?
427 choker.
All right, here we go. Look, the fuckery begins.
To the two-stepper, sir.
Oh, the fuckery begins. Oh, shit, what's up?
Y'all ain't ready to go up?
So yeah, y'all gonna have to.
Y'all ain't ready to go up?
Go down, I don't want to go no more.
Cause I don't want to look at that. We ain't. He's like, I'm not working on that. I don't want to look at it.
Y'all ready?
It's like look crazy under here. Aaron
The
Carr.
baby's gonna see it.
I know we about to be under there.
We got to lighten the hose up. Rookie.
All right, man. So if y'all want to see the fuckery, go ahead and go over to Fox Body Aaron page. Pretty sure it's gonna be some fuckery on this.
A whole lot. Hey, but it's gonna get done right now, though, right?
It is gotta be legit.
Oh yeah, this exhaust ain't gonna work, huh?
Adida.
Oh yeah, exhaust for sure gonna have to get redone. Torque arm.
So this where it snapped right
Alright, is
there.
this gonna be enough or
At the
not?
top.
We need some more or no? Ready to write some shit? What?
I need the jumbo Sharpie, please.
Oh shit.
So Aaron's car is way worse than mine, right?
Hey, this is like almost this is comparing this to the 6.4
Oof.
with the bullshit fabrication skills cutting and shit. That's where we at.
Oh man.
Hey, but
Oof.
when you called them, they try to tell you, because remember I was going up there tripping, they try to say it wasn't their wheels.
Remember, I called them out on the welds, but you know.
That's how they wells. Look, and they start going to the top too. You had a clutch kick it one more time, the whole rear end would fell out.
That's why I wasn't burning rubber or nothing.
Hey, but we left the rear end on what is that street called?
This shit way too low.
Nigga, way too low. Nigga, my car is slammed on the
Yeah.
gas. The rear end's not that close to the
The shit car dudes do. That's how you know your car dad right here. Like zip ties. Got that thing zip tied and she over here big chilling. You watching Miss Rachel, mama? Hey, it worked. All right, so about 2 hours then went by. I think they done finding shit on Aaron's car. So now we got my man Dart, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Fab over here. Just over here trying to take pictures and figure out how he gonna go about redoing and sealing up this this rear end and these freaking frame rails. Jeez.
Hey, that's all he was worried about.
I hope he got extra money saved up.
I mean, I feel bad.
All he was
This is
worried
gonna
about.
See right there, dude, where that side was putting so much torque now when it all broke, that side was tearing too.
Yeah, right here. It was preloaded. Twisted.
Look at this, dude. Well, besides it snapped in half up there,
He would have kept looking at your hood and then
right there.
Oh yeah, it was about to start breaking.
Yep. But if you look right up there, on the other side by the brake line, tube's fucking sheared in half.
Oh yeah, it's right there. That's just tension though, cause it broke the welds over there. All right, what's good, my peeps? We are back at the hut. Tomorrow we are going to be hitting the dyno with the turbo coupe. So I'm gonna be going back to these tomorrow, taking the things to the dyno. So hopefully it don't blow up. That's my only concern, is it not blowing up, because we are going to be pushing a good amount of more boost to this. More boost. We are going to be pushing. More boost. So more boost, bigger turbo, so more CFMs. We're gonna see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, Black Aaron got his car there, so make sure y'all go check out his video to see kind of the fuckery that's going on with his car, because it's pretty funny. So go over there, Fox Body Aaron, check that out. But yeah, man, I might go drop the C6 off tonight. That way I can get that side splitter that I broke fixed. But yeah, we're gonna be calling this today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Till next time, man, we out.